What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Go360. Today we're going to be installing our 2.3 liter turbo badges. Alright, we're going to be putting them without the OEM, and we're going to be placing them on here without the OEM placemat. I honestly just looked it up online to see where to put it and just determining the angle, because honestly, fuck the OEM look. This is my car. I could have this badge upside down if I wanted to. I put this shit like this. Upside down T 3.2. Nah, we're gonna put it up. So basically what you're gonna want to need, you're gonna need a leveler. You need a 2.3 badge, some 3M double-sided alcohol to wipe that shit. I'm just gonna fucking and honestly, I'd be a little bit more happier if I was just this high. And you just press it on, right? I feel like you didn't really see much coming out from the side, so I'll have to cut. I have a blade too, but if you guys mess up, just cut it. Just cut whatever's not fitting right, and just keep pressing on it, man. Make sure that thing is on there. I'm just gonna keep pressing on it a couple more minutes or so. Make sure the adhesive is stuck on every possible part of this thing, because you don't want your 2.3 badge falling at a most opportune moment, bro. On a fucking Camaro, you don't want this shit to fall off in front of a V6 Camaro, bro. I'm gonna laugh at you guys. Alright, let's do this one more time. Double check. From what I see on the placements, they have it like right here. I have extra 3M tape. I'm sure I can cut it out with 2.3. Just keep it fresh, like it cool. I don't know, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. That's how it looks. Oh, sheesh. I know you can't barely see the turbo, the T, but my gosh, that 2.3 looks kind of hard on there. Because I'm keeping it consistent with the black. No chrome on mine. I wasn't really fucking with the chrome when I seen the Mustang at the dealership. So that's the 2.3 badge on there. I think it looks hard. Got the door open, about to close it, but that's how it looks. 2.3. Does it look straight for y'all? I mean, for me, it's fine. I ain't really like tripping about it. I know a lot of people get real anal about this shit. Like, if it's not OEM, fuck a badge or something, fuck the placement. But honestly, bro, this is your own work right here. And you just kind of gotta say, like, damn, did I do a good job? I think I did. 2.3 on that side. I should just put it on the door, huh? No, I'm just kidding. But alright, that's that one. We still got one more to put on the other side. Damn, don't really got much space on this side, see what I mean? Yeah, this one's gonna have to be installed at another time. Appreciate you guys tuning in, you know. I know this channel is kind of all over the place with content, but I'm trying to just, you know, make Mustang content, man. And, you know, simple things, putting on a badge. I know some people, I've seen Ecoboost out there with badges, and, you know, some people might want to know how to put badges on and just don't know how, you know. Honestly, this is the first time I've ever put on a badge on a vehicle. I've never done this before. And I'm not really into, like, hardcore cosmetics on a vehicle, but at the moment I really can't mod the vehicle as far as like performance, so it's mostly gonna have to be just aesthetics for right now. Just kind of get a good look on the vehicle. I got some rear diffusers coming in on the weekend. Once I put those, I think that should make the car look a little different. I'll definitely be posting videos of me cruising around with the 360 with the X2. And there it is, took out the 2.3. We got it right here. 2.3 baby. The original badge. Sheesh. It's like, yeah, I think I got it pretty good this time. Now remember, you guys can always cut the 3M part of the tape that you're not gonna like use necessarily. Just the excess, I guess. Just cut off the excess and just keep pressing on it. Make sure this bitch is on there again. You don't want your fucking badge to fall off, you know. You pay money for this stuff, so you don't want your badge to fall off. I also got some side skirts, some front bumper lips that I'm gonna put in. Front bumper splitter, and it's got the strut rod, so hopefully that should, you know, change the look of the vehicle. And I got the rear diffusers coming in. Probably work a little better if you have a heat gun or a blow dryer. Just small temporary bits of heat, just so that it sticks really well on your badge and your car. But just a little bit, you know, just so it gets it stuck on there pretty good, man. But yeah, man, that's a 2.3. Oh, that's a 2.3 on that side. Tell me how that looks. I gotta take photos of the car, that way you can kind of see it. That's a 2.3 from that side. Look at my bumper fucking coming off. I gotta fix that too. That's another video. My fender's fucking crap, but the 2.3 on that side, that should look clean, huh? I think I'm pretty proud of the results, y'all. So that's gonna be the video. I appreciate everybody who tuned in and watched. You guys basically just saw me install, you know, my very first badges on here. I have another emblem. It's the vintage Mustang emblem. Let me show you. But it's chrome, man, and I don't know what to do with that shit. Honestly, I think I might just paint it black. Matte black, and then maybe put it like on the side or some shit. Maybe under the 2.3. Let's see how this shit look, because this shit's chrome, you know, so chrome does not look good on my vehicle right now, because everything's either black and red, or What do you guys think? What do you think? We should leave it like that, or is that too fucking much Mustang pride? I think that's too much Mustang pride, huh? Just the chrome is not gonna go with my car, but yeah, that's that emblem. Might return it. I don't like how it looks. I was thinking about putting it on the grill. Be a little different, but we'll see. That was the video, y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Smash that like button if you guys like this content. For more Ecoboost content, sub to the channel. I appreciate you guys. Shot on the X2. You guys have a happy Thanksgiving, man. Stay blessed.